Following the interview, Hazur held meetings with dignitaries and guests, including Dr. Craig Considine, Professor of Sociology at Rice University.
How are you?
I'm excellent. How are you?
Ahmed Khan Sahib wanted to introduce you to me. I said, if I didn't know the professor, then nobody knows him. Yeah?
It's a great honor, Your Holiness.
So I'm happy that you were here yesterday and attended our Friday sermon.
It was one of the best khutbahs I've heard. I have another book coming. You'll be featured in many ways.
What is it about?
I'm talking about something beyond the dialogue of civilizations.
You just pray that your book comes out before they destroy the whole world. They are trying to be very much trigger happy. I thought it is only mullahs. They are going to be trigger happy. Now, the situation has changed. The Asian leaders are even trying to calm them down.
One of the messages is it's really love, and I think this is probably one of the reasons why I feel such an affinity for the Ahmadiyya community. Love for all, hatred for none.
This is the message everybody is forgetting.
It's so fundamental and quintessential, and it's such a beautiful thing because love feels so good.
We are all humans, so at least we should respect each other as humans. And if we realize how to respect each other, then there will be peace, love, and harmony. This basic thing they don't want to understand.
You know, how can you love when you can't even respect, you know? Like, love is the peak, but to get to that love, you have to do a lot of the difficult work, and that respect is a lot of that difficult work to get there.
Here we misinterpret the word freedom. Even the students, the youngsters, they think we are free to say everything. We are free to do whatever we like. It is not necessary that we respect others or not. This is our right to do whatever we like. This is why now we are deviating from the basics of a good human being. Even we are trying to deviate from our traditions, from things which are good for our life. It's a pity. So you are originally from Boston.
Yeah.
The same place where the newspaper wrote about our founder. Yes.
Yeah. I mean, it's incredible. It's incredible. I feel so honored and blessed to be here. I feel the significance of what's happening here. And what a story.
So Boston is quite a fertile land with regards to good people.
I'm so thankful that I got to spend personal time with you. It's a great honor for me.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for all your kind gesture.
Thank you. Inshallah, maybe one day I would love to visit you in your home in London, in that area.
Yes, I will be waiting for you.